Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. Introducing the SIM-free Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7 5G, the latest and most advanced foldable smartphone from Samsung. It is designed to bring flagship power and futuristic innovation into one bold, compact device. This smart device is available in blue color, silver, and black, offering generous storage options of 256GB storage, 512GB storage, or massive 1TB storage. The Galaxy Z Fold7 caters to both productivity power users and mobile entertainment lovers alike. This phone is part of our A-list gadgets, a correlated collection of most iconic and sought-after tech products. The Galaxy Z Fold7 stands out as Samsung's tiniest, lightest, and most powerful fold yet. It delivers the full performance of a leading smartphone when folded and transforms into a multitasking powerhouse when unfolded. Its sleek outer form opens to reveal a breathtaking 8 inches dynamic AMOLED 2x Infinity Flex display, offering ultra immersive visuals, smooth performance, and all the space you need to work, smart, watch, and play more freely. What makes this phone truly remarkable is its pro-grade camera system, led by a staggering 200MP rear camera, the same sensor found in Galaxy S25 Ultra, alongside 12MP and 10MP secondary lenses and a 10MP front camera with photo modes like Pro, Portrait Video, Hyperlens, and Night, combined with ultra high definition 8K video capture. Every image and video becomes a showcase of a stunning clarity and depth. Powering the Galaxy Z Fold7 is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy processor, supported by 12GB of RAM and latest Android 16 OS. This combination ensures buttery smooth performance across every task, from multitasking across multiple apps to high-end mobile gaming and editing 8K video. This phone also integrates Galaxy AI and Google Gemini, making your experience smarter, faster, and more intuitive than ever, especially when you are using the expansive fold-out display. The battery's 4400 amp is built to last all day and more, backed by PD fast charging support, 10 watts to 25 watts, and harmonized fast charging for quick top-ups when needed. I also want to mention there is no charging plug included, but USB Type-C charging cable is included. The Galaxy Z Fold7 also includes all the essentials you did expect from top-tier smartphone: 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth, NFC, GPS, and dual SIM support, including dual eSIM compatibility for flexible carrier management. It also comes with MP3, MP4 support, contactless payment capability, and fingerprint scan for fast and secure unlocking. This one is also with water resistance rating of IPX8 and dust resistance of IPX4. It is built to handle daily life with confidence. This phone is slim, powerful, and crafted for those who want the absolute best in foldable technology. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7 5G is more than just a smartphone. It is a portable workstation, a creative studio, and a cinematic display all in one. Whether you choose blue color, silver, or black, or need 256GB storage space or 512GB storage space or 1TB storage space, the Z Fold7 is ready to deliver next performance wherever you go. This smartphone deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.